Hi, hello, Ram Ram Mandari. My name is Amol Deshmukh. Have you ever felt embarrassed when you're trying to speak English? Have you felt nervousness? Have you learned English for years but still cannot speak well? You're not alone. This is a common problem because you learned with the old traditional methods in the school. You want to speak English like a native American speaker. You want to speak fluently, quickly, and automatically. You want to feel relaxed and confidence every time you speak English. My Power English course is designed to help you speak quickly, easily, and automatically, like a native English speaker. In the Power English course, you get 3 to 6 months audio and video lessons. Each module includes a main audio lesson. These lessons teach you important learning and psychological techniques for learning faster, for getting faster success. You learn with your ears, not with your eyes. Each module includes a vocabulary lesson, again an audio vocabulary lesson. You always learn with your ears, improving. You will get many stories lessons. These are really powerful lessons. You learn English grammar, you learn English vocabulary, you improve your speaking and your listening using stories, fun, energetic stories. You get point of view grammar stories and lessons. These are the lessons that teach you English grammar without grammar rules. No study grammar rules. You learn grammar naturally, just like an American child. As a bonus, you will get a text guide for each and every lesson so that you can always read the text, always understand everything. You get bonus action vocabulary videos. This is a powerful new way to learn and to memorize new vocabulary in a quick way. You will never forget the words you learn with these lessons. And finally, as an extra bonus, when you join the course now, you also join online community of positive, fun English learners all over the India. Join my power course now and learn to speak English powerfully.